Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only Google Doc from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to open up the view-only Google Doc. And once you've opened it up, if you go to File, you'll notice Make a Copy, Email, Download and Print have all been disabled. And with this technique, the person who's uploaded the Google Doc won't know you've done this unless you tell them or they're spying on your computer. So the first step is, you're going to want to go up to the URL bar, and you're going to notice a slash, then edit, then some other characters. I want you to drag everything after the final slash, then press the delete or backspace key on your keyboard. Then type in mobilebasic. So you'll have the URL you had before, but then there'll be a slash, then mobilebasic. Then press the enter key on your keyboard. And this will give you a mobilebasic view of the view-only Google Doc. So the next step is you're going to want to right-click somewhere on the web page, then click on Save As. Then you're going to want to give your file a name, but make sure it ends with .html. And for the Save As type, it needs to be Web Page Complete HTML. If it's not that, click on the drop-down box here, and then make sure you select Web Page Complete HTML. After you do that, you can then click on Save. And once it's downloaded, you can either click on the file here, or click on Show in Folder, and this will bring you to the file you downloaded, and you can then double click on the file, or you can right click, go to Open With, then select a web browser of your choice. I'll pick Google Chrome. And if we do that, as you can see, we have got the view-only Google Doc from Google Drive downloaded locally onto our system. This is really useful if you need to download some notes, and for some reason you don't have download permission. And that's it for this tutorial. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.